How do you make three-dimensional shapes out of a flat sheet of paper? Hi everyone, I'm Akiko from Studio X, a makerspace inside the Fleet Science Center. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this cool hanging object using a thin cardboard you can probably find at your home. These are paper models of simple geometric shapes. This one is a cube and this one is a tetrahedron. They are both three-dimensional, but if you look at them, their surfaces are made up of a number of flat parts called faces. A cube has 6 faces, 4 squares that go around, 1 square at the top, 1 square at the bottom. So if you have 6 squares like these, then you can tape them together and construct a cube. But how do you make a cube out of a single sheet of paper? I'm going to remove some tapes and unfold this cube carefully, making sure all 6 squares are still connected. When you flatten it, the surface of the cube looks like this. Actually, there are many different ways to unfold it, but they all have 6 squares connected in certain ways. So if I take any of these patterns, copy it on a sheet of paper and fold it up, then I will get a cube. But how about tetrahedron? Let's find out how the surface of the tetrahedron looks like when it's unfolded, and then make this fun geometric hanging object. For this project, you will need a cardstock or some stiff paper that can hold its shape, a pencil, a ruler, a pair of scissors, tape, glue, and some strings. So let's take a closer look at this tetrahedron. How many faces does it have? It has 4 faces. 1, 2, 3 triangles, and there's another triangle at the bottom. So if you unfold a tetrahedron, it will look like this. This is actually a regular tetrahedron because all the edges are the same length. So first, let's make a triangle with all 3 sides of equal length. And we are going to use that triangle and draw a pattern of a tetrahedron. You can arrange 3 triangles side by side and add another one for the base, or you can start with a base and connect 1 triangle to each side of the base. Now cut out the pattern and fold along the lines. I'm using the edge of the ruler to bend the paper along the lines and folding it again to opposite direction to make sharp creases. Tape the edges to construct the tetrahedron, but before you close up the shape, cut a piece of string, fold it in half and tie the ends together to make a loop, and tape one end of the folded loop inside. Using tape is a lot easier and quicker, but you can use glue for a cleaner look. If you are using glue, just add some glue tabs around the edges before cutting out the pattern. You can also decorate the cardboard before folding it. Here I'm using stamps to decorate the paper. How do you change the height of the tetrahedron? What other shapes can you make? Here are the templates of some other 3-dimensional objects. Octahedron has 8 faces, and dodecahedron has 12 faces. You can also make shapes that have curved surfaces. But can you flatten the surface of a sphere? I used tangerines to see if I can do this. And this is the closest that I got to it. As you can see, the tangerine peels are not completely flat. Hope you enjoyed today's activity. For more things you can make at home, please check out our other videos on Fleet TV. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you again soon.